If you've ever tried cooking on a range that heats unevenly, takes forever to preheat, or just doesn't have enough burner space, then you already know how much the right electric range can change your kitchen. The problem is, not all electric ranges are built the same. Some offer powerful convection, but lack flexibility on the cooktop. Others look sleek but don't deliver the cooking modes or smart features you actually need. And then there are models that shine in one area but fall short in everyday convenience. That's exactly why we put together this list of the 7 best electric ranges, each one standing out for a specific strength, from slide and convection performance to smart connectivity and flexible cooktop power. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these electric ranges aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Kenmore front control. This is the best front control on our list. The front control design is the first thing you notice, and it genuinely changes the experience. The knobs are positioned up front, so adjustments feel natural and safe without reaching over heat. It keeps the cooktop looking clean and streamlined, and once you start cooking, it backs that up with real performance. You get 5 cooktop elements with 7 power options, including 2 dual ring elements that adjust to different pan sizes. That flexibility makes multitasking simple. Then there are the 2 powerful 3000-watt turbo boil elements. They heat fast and handle high-temperature cooking with confidence. So boiling, stir-frying, and searing all feel quick and responsive. Inside, the oven features true convection, which uses a fan and third heating element to circulate air evenly. That means better browning, consistent baking, and reliable roasting. It also includes air fry with a basket for crisp results without extra oil. And cleanup stays easy with both steam clean and self-clean. You also get delay start, keep warm, broil, 2 racks, and a bright halogen interior light. And here's what Lady says. This 5-burner stove with oven is fantastic. The burners heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly, which makes cooking much easier and faster. Having 5 burners is very convenient, especially when preparing multiple dishes at the same time. The oven is spacious, heats evenly, and works great for baking, roasting, and grilling. So if you want front access control paired with strong cooking versatility, this one delivers. Number 6 is the GE Profile PB935YPFS. This is the best freestanding convection on our list. This range earns its spot because of its true European convection system. It's designed to circulate heat evenly, so baking feels consistent and roasting comes out balanced throughout. And then it adds no preheat air fry, which lets you start cooking immediately. That convenience really stands out in everyday use. And the cooktop includes 5 radiant burners on a smooth surface. One of those is a dual element burner, which switches between 8-inch and 5-inch sizes depending on your cookware. That adaptability makes it easy to match heat to pan size. There's also a warming center to help keep dishes ready while you finish the rest. Plus, it's built for modern kitchens too. With built-in Wi-Fi, it connects to the Smart HQ app and works with Google Assistant and Amazon Echo. You can monitor and control oven functions from your phone. Inside, you get 5.3 cubic feet of capacity and 3 racks for flexible cooking space. It also includes self-clean and steam clean and a fingerprint-resistant stainless finish that keeps it looking sharp. So if you want convection performance with smart connectivity and flexible burners, this one fits perfectly. Number 5 is the Empava Electric Range. This is the best radiant cooktop on our list. Now, the radiant ceramic cooktop provides a smooth, modern surface that distributes heat evenly and cleans up easily. You get 4 cooking elements, including 2 at 2,100 watts for high heat tasks and 2 at 1,200 watts for controlled simmering. That balance gives you flexibility without overcomplicating the layout. And the oven offers 4.8 cubic feet of capacity, which handles baking trays, roasting pans, and larger dishes comfortably. It supports baking, broiling, keeping food warm, and rapid preheat. And with a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, you've got precise control across different cooking styles. Plus, maintenance stays simple thanks to the built-in steam cleaning function. It helps loosen residue without harsh chemicals. The stainless steel finish gives it a durable, polished look, and the bottom storage drawer adds practical space for cookware. So if you want radiant ceramic cooking that feels sleek, steady, and dependable, this range delivers exactly that. Number 4 is the Frigidaire P CFE3080AF. This is the best for cooking modes on our list. The standout feature is the total convection system. It powers multiple options including air fry, no preheat, slow cook, steam bake, steam roast, convection bake, and convection roast. That range of modes gives you serious flexibility depending on what you're cooking. The cooktop includes 5 elements, highlighted by the strong 3,200 watt even temp element for consistent heat performance. There's also a bridge element, which connects burners to accommodate larger cookware. That setup makes it adaptable for everyday meals and bigger dishes alike. Inside, the oven provides 6.2 cubic feet of space, giving you room for larger batches. The slow cook function can go as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit, helping maintain moisture and flavor over longer cooking times. It also features backlit LED knobs and a fingerprint-resistant stainless finish that keeps everything looking polished. So if you want maximum cooking flexibility with strong convection capability, this one stands out clearly. And if you want to know the latest prices for the electric ranges discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the GE Profile PSS93YPFS. This is the best slide in convection on our list. The headline feature is true European convection with precise air. It uses a third heating element and a reversing fan, so heat and airflow stay consistent. And that helps baking and roasting feel more even. Then it layers in no preheat air fry. So you can get crisp results without waiting and without needing a basket or special tray. And the cooktop is built to move fast. You get a flexible power boil element that adjusts between 12-inch, 9-inch, and 6-inch sizes for rapid boiling. Plus, there are synchronized elements. You can control 2 elements together for a bigger surface when you want to use a griddle. Then you've got glide touch controls, which feel smooth and wipe clean easily. Also, it's packed with smart extras that make daily cooking feel simpler. It has built-in Wi-Fi powered by the Smart HQ app, so you can manage features right from your phone. Plus, Chef Connect can synchronize clocks and even trigger lights when a burner is activated with a compatible microwave. This thing also supports Connect Plus updates, so new downloadable features can show up over time. And for everyday convenience, you get fast preheat, steam clean in 30 minutes, a soft close storage drawer, and 5.3 cubic feet of oven space with 3 racks. The fingerprint-resistant finish keeps it looking clean too. And here's what Chanel says. I love this product. It looks great with the other appliances I have. The buttons are a little sensitive, but the locking mechanism helps to ensure safety. The stove heats up quickly, and the design is beautiful. The oven has no heat air fryer, which helps to cook foods quickly. The convection backing works well too. We make peanut butter cookies, and they baked perfectly with the edges of the cookie crispy, but the middle was soft and moist. I am overall happy with this product and highly recommend it. So if you want slide-in style with powerful convection and smart control, this one fits beautifully. Number 2 is the Samsung Smart Freestanding. This is the best value on our list. The value really shows in how much performance and flexibility you get built into one range. It starts with a spacious 6.3 cubic foot oven that can handle multiple dishes at once. Whether you're baking large batches or cooking a full dinner spread, the space feels generous. And with 7 rack positions, you've got the flexibility to set it up exactly how you need. Then the cooktop steps up. You get a smooth glass ceramic surface with dual ring flexibility up front. The 6-inch, 9-inch dual ring burners rated at 3,300 watts deliver strong heat fast. That makes boiling and searing feel quick and responsive. The rear burners provide steady heat for simmering and sides, so multitasking feels easy. And it's smart too. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can preheat, monitor, and adjust temperature right from your phone. Plus, SmartThings Cooking lets you search recipes, plan meals, and even manage grocery lists. It keeps things simple and connected. Plus, cleanup is quick with Steam Clean in 20 minutes. And the hidden bake element makes wiping the interior easier. And here's what Latricia says. Love this stove. The oven preheats so quickly. So if you want strong heat, smart features, and a spacious oven that keeps up with real life, this one delivers beautifully. Number 1 is the LGL REL 6325F. This is the best overall on our list. What makes it the overall pick is how it balances cooking flexibility, smart control, and easy cleanup in one package. It starts with the flexible element that shifts sizes, since the 3-in-1 element goes from 12-inch to 9-inch to 6-inch with a turn, so you're not stuck using the wrong burner size for a small pan or a large pot. And that kind of flexibility makes everyday cooking feel smoother. Then, it adds air fry convenience in a way that fits real life. You can make fries, wings, and more with no preheating, less oil, and no extra gadgets on the counter. And when you're cooking bigger meals, the oven capacity helps a lot too. It's built to handle large batches of baking and big roasts with sides, so it feels ready for busy kitchens. And the smart features are a big part of the experience. The ThinQ app lets you manage and monitor the range remotely. You can send cooking instructions with ThinQ Recipe, use Scan to cook, connect with Google or Alexa voice assistants, and access smart diagnosis and customer support. Plus, ThinQ Care can send usage, maintenance, and diagnostic alerts to help keep things running smoothly. And cleaning stays simple with Easy Clean. Just spray water, press the button, and it runs in 10 minutes without chemicals or high heat. So if you want a range that feels flexible, connected, and easy to live with, this is the one. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect electric range. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each electric range. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.